Alan and I have packed our bags and headed out for an adventure. We've ditched the all-inclusive holiday to try something new and out of our comfort zone. We started with a one-way train ticket out of our hometown in hopes to reach our goal destination.
So we're in Greece, well, Corfu, still Greece. Just walking down the ferry port. Can't talk so early. I'm going to try and find somewhere to park up for a little bit. Probably have breakfast and explore Corfu, well, this part. I know, it's so late as well. It's 6:20 local time and the sunrise doesn't start till about 7:15, so.
Because let's be real, right? We are not getting up early ever again on this trip.
Maybe not. Yeah, I think we'll probably chill out and watch sunrise, have breakfast, and then explore Corfu a little bit while we're here. And then as we go up to like the north of the island, is it north? It is north, isn't it? Later on to check in. So I'll keep you updated. Restaurants and things there. Get all the bugs.
We've set my camera up, try and catch the sunrise this morning. There's 1,000,001 birds in the sky.
I think I see the tip of it.
That's an island. I want to say it begins with a K. I feel like I'm being bitten alive sitting here. Look how clear the water is. Got our little biscuits that we bought in Switzerland. There's a cruise ship there. I have a feeling that's a Disney cruise ship, but I'm not sure. There's another cruise ship over there. We managed to get on a bus that goes to Rome. Thanks to him. That was the most scariest bus ride, was that Hornet. It was literally being dropped off in that cafe.
You already know what you like, or you
Look at that, iced coffee, a frappe. You down that banana juice. So I've already been in the shop and I bought a magnet and I bought some cotton shorts. She gave me a little bit of discount, bless her. 20%. This is a hotel here and we're just trying to find a reception. And we've already inquired about a bike because Aaron's got a full bike licence. It was €50 for the day, but I think we're just going to fathom what's about first.
It's me not opening probably.
Oh, I cannot wait to dump my bag. How do we get out here then? Wow! Yeah! I've never had this before.
Nice and long. No problem at all. That's a two bar.
I'm so glad we've done this on our own.
We're here.
a dolphin for dinner.
Come on.
Turn around. Turn.
Oh, hello.
Oh no, they're not. That's weed.
Is that legal?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I think we're fishing stuff. Go about this way. We've walked from our hotel to here. Where are we?
No idea.
It was okay.
Delicious.
I wish I had a more traditional. Kittens!
No.
Alan is so tiny.
No. Hello, if you can't park,
We've got the sunset behind us.
Oh, just park it under a tree.
Can't park your smart car, park it under a tree. Oh, Alan, there was a tiny kitten. Oh, they've all got one eye. That's not very good, is it?